Peak Silicone Platinum Premium Beam Wiper Blades are a high-end addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with pinch tab and pinch tab button wiper arms. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by grabbing the front of the adapter and pulling up. Discard the adapter. Next, find the adapter labeled Base. Position it so the back side with the arrow aligns with the spoiler wing. Then snap it into place. Now, with the wiper arm in the upright position, slide the adapter with the arrow onto the end of the wiper arm until it locks into place. Then, snap the wiper arm with the connected adapter onto the base adapter. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done! Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and then you're ready for the fun part, activating the blade's water repellency. To do that, simply spray washer fluid onto your windshield and allow the blades to clear it. This will make sure your windshield is thoroughly coated. Now you're set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Silicone Platinum wiper blades with infused water repellent technology.